Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. And I hope you have seen my previous video that was about healthy food. Today, we are going to have an interesting activity. But before proceeding, let's revise the previous lesson about healthy food. So, children, please see the pictures. Milk, fish, chicken, cornflakes, or egg, toast, roti, rice, paneer, vegetables and fruits. These are some of the healthy food. Now kids, let's see the pictures. Burger, pizza, noodles, cake, cool drinks, chips. These are some of the unhealthy food. Children, don't have too much of junk foods because if you have it daily, you get sick. Children, I like to eat fruits and vegetables. Do you like to have? What is your favorite food? I too like to eat chocolate and ice cream, but only once in a while. So, you should also try to do it. Now, let's have fun with today's activity. So, let's do it together. Children, please see, different types of food items are kept over here. This is an egg. Where should I keep this? Healthy food basket or unhealthy food basket? This is a healthy food. So, I am going to keep this in the healthy food basket. Children, what is this? Say loudly. These are chips. I know you all love to eat chips. I must tell you, this is not good for our health. So, I am going to keep this in the unhealthy food basket. Yummy, yummy chocolates. Children, be careful. If you are having chocolates frequently, then your teeth will be damaged. So, where should I keep this? Say loudly, where should I keep this? Healthy food basket or unhealthy food basket? This is unhealthy. So, I am going to keep this in the unhealthy food basket. Children, now we will see some vegetables. This is a lady's finger, a tomato, a brinjal, and a carrot. These are vegetables. Vegetables are very good for our health. Children, you take vegetables every day, you will be very healthy. So, I will keep this in the healthy food basket. Carrot, tomato, lady's finger and brinjal. Children, what is this? This is carbonated cold drink. I know you all love to drink it. but this is not good for our stomach. So this is unhealthy. I am going to keep this in the unhealthy food basket. Children, now let's see some fruits. This is a banana and this is a mango. These are fruits. Fruits are very good for our health. So where should I keep this? Healthy food basket or unhealthy food basket? Good. This is healthy food. So I am going to keep this in healthy food basket. Mango and a banana. Children, what is this? This is noodles. This is a fast food. I know you all love to eat this, but this is not good for our stomach. So, where should I keep this? Say loudly. Healthy food or unhealthy food basket? Yes, this is unhealthy. So, I am going to keep this in the unhealthy food basket. Children, see, this is a glass of milk. Milk is a complete food. So, I am going to keep on healthy food side. Dry fruits are good for our health. Children, what is this? This is a packet of cashew nuts. This is good for our health. Where should I keep this? Healthy food basket or unhealthy food basket? Yes, I am going to keep this in the healthy food basket. Children, you all know that healthy food keeps our body healthy and strong. It keeps us away from all diseases. Unhealthy food may be tastier than healthy food, but it can be harmful for our body and it can make us sick in the long run. Now it's your turn. Children, you can try this activity at home with different food items which are healthy and unhealthy. Children, please take a video of your activity on the above topic and send it to your class teacher.
Eat healthy, stay healthy. Long time ago, a family lived in a city and grandparents, along with their mummy papa, 8 years old Himanshu and 7 years old Himani were there in their family. Both the kids were very much fond of junk food. Therefore, they used to eat pizza and burger all the time and refused to eat any fruit or vegetable.
No, we don't like vegetables and fruits at all.
We like only pizza and burger.
But children, if you won't eat vegetables and fruits, then your eyesight will become poor. And you have to wear specs in such a small age.
But they never used to listen to their mother.
No, we don't like vegetable and fruits.
One day, their mother explained them very lovingly.
Our eyesight becomes strong by eating fruits and green vegetables. And if your eyesight becomes poor, then you have to wear specs all the time.
Mother's affectionate words convinced Himani to eat fruit and vegetables.
Okay, Mom. From now, I will eat fruit and vegetable every day.
But Himanshu refused to listen to his mother.
No, Mom. I like pizza burger. Therefore, I will eat that only.
Now, mother stopped explaining Himanshu. And many days passed. Himani started eating fruit and vegetables daily. And Himanshu, like before, ate only pizza and burger. One day, Himanshu's teacher asked him in school.
Himanshu, come on, solve the question on blackboard.
When Himanshu looked at the blackboard, he found everything very blurred. He rubbed his eyes and looked once again. But still, he found everything blurred. Teacher angrily scolded Himanshu when he was unable to answer.
Himanshu, are you not able to solve this easy question also? Wait, I'll call your parents to school right now.
Teacher left the classroom after saying this. She made a phone call, and after some time, Himanshu's mummy papa came to school.
I had asked Himanshu very simple question. But Himanshu could not solve as easy question as 2 plus 2.
What, Himanshu? You don't even know answer of such an easy question?
It seems you aren't studying well these days.
No, Mom. I know very well 2 plus 2 adds up to 4.
So why didn't you answer your teacher's question?
The reason was I wasn't able to see what's written on board.
I told you before, you should eat vegetable and fruits. See, your eyesight became so weak. If like Himani you had listened to me, then your eyesight wouldn't have been so poor.
Sorry, Mom. From today I will eat vegetables and fruits daily.
By seeing Himanshu's crying like this, his mummy understood that Himanshu has now realized his mistake. She consoled Himanshu and said,
It's fine, Himanshu. Stop crying now. But if you eat vegetables and fruits daily, then it may be possible that your eyesight may become perfect again.
So till then, I shall buy good spectacles for you.
After listening to his mummy papa, Himanshu stopped crying and his father got his spectacles made. Like this, by eating fruit and vegetables, Himani's eyesight remained normal. And by not eating fruit and vegetables, Himanshu had to wear spectacles.
Children, I hope you understood the story. Hence, you should take healthy food every day and you should avoid unhealthy food. Now, it's our practice time. Can you name any 3 fruits which are red in color? Cherry, strawberry and apple. Children, do you know an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Can you name any 3 vegetables which are in green in color? Lady's finger, capsicum and beans. Okay. What are the 3 main meals of a day? Say loudly. Yes. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. So children, today we have learned one of the most important thing you should follow in your day-to-day life. So, you should follow good food habit of having healthy food all the time to keep us strong, smiling and happy. Take care. Bye-bye.